Welcome to Short and Crisp Algo Trade Training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to see the reverse of what we learned in the earlier episode, that is converting a limit order into a stop loss order. So earlier one, we have seen how to convert a stop loss order into limit order through script. In this episode, we are going to learn how to create a limit order and then how to change that into a stop loss order. So, if you are someone who is good at it, good at coding, then you would already be able to, understand this very well. But for someone who is really a starter in Python script, this might be very useful. So that's why I'm making a separate video. So I'm going to make use of the exact same script I used in the last episode. So I'm creating an order. So it's going to be a normal order on SBI and it's going to be a buy, and I'm going to, buy it at 550 rupees. And it's a limit order, so I'm going to change the trigger price as 0, discount quantity also 0, and rest of the values also remain as such. Okay, so let me run the script and let's create an order. And it's done. I'm commenting the script and I'm unconnecting the modify order script that we have. And now I'm going to the orders. And okay, some reason UI is not working properly. So now we have this third order created. I think I mean, we can change any of it. So anyway, right, so I'm copying the one of the order IDs. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to change it into a stop loss order. So the price should be above current market price. So I'm giving 595, quantity, discourse quantity and all same. The only thing is trigger price, it can be 591. So if SBI breaches 591, a buy stop loss order would be triggered with the price of 595. So let's hit run and see whether the order gets modified. So yeah, that script executed successfully. So let's refresh the order, and now if you see, right, so for this order ID 1336, so it's now updated to 595, 591 into a stop loss order. So that is how you need to update your limit order into stop order. So if you have any queries, leave it down in the comment section. Hit the like, share and subscribe button if you find this video useful. Thank you.